This woodworking corner clamp set can give you those perfect 90-degree angles. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. A purchase link is in the video description. Everything is made of high quality solid aluminum alloy. These will hold up. 4 clamps are included. I have created a lot of boxes in this shop, and getting things exactly 90 degrees, that is the secret to success in my opinion. Because even if this is just a few degrees off, when you come the whole way around to this side, those degrees will be multiplied. 90 degrees, each corner is critical. Now I can drill pilot holes and put some screws in here. This will be nice and secure, and most importantly, 90 degrees. Inch marks are along this face and centimeters are over here. That way, if you're working in metric or imperial, this has you covered. Overall, this system is easy to understand, it's easy to set up, it's easy to use, and most importantly, I can get the accurate results that I need. In my opinion, I really like these.